Welcome to Balochi Made Easy. This course is designed to teach Balochi language to foreign speakers or those of Balochi heritage, born abroad and wish to learn Balochi. As someone who enjoys learning languages, I have compiled this course with a simple approach. So let's begin. To say I in Balochi, we simply say man, man. Obviously, same pronunciation as the word man in English. To say am, as in I am, we say a. I know it's written as an, but the n here is silent. So remember the silent n. To say I am Miran, which is my name, we say man Miranan. Man Miran. Of course, if we go with the literal English translation, it would translate as I Miran am, which doesn't make any sense. But in Balochi, when building any sentences beginning with I am, we simply attach or place a, the Balochi version of am, to any word next to man. Don't worry, it's simple. I have the formula written for you. So here is your Balochi formula for creating sentences beginning with I am. First you got man plus your new word in Balochi, or it could be a name here, plus a. And that's it. You've got your mini sentence beginning with I am. Obviously, the more Balochi words you learn, the more sentences you're going to create with I am. Just remember the formula. So let's learn some new words. To say here in Balochi, we say eda, eda. To say there in Balochi, we say weda, weda. Or if you want a Liori version of it, you simply say Uda. Now that we have learned how to say here and there in Balochi, have a go at saying I am here in Balochi. Pause if you need to, and remember our Balochi formula for saying I am. Man eda an. Man eda an. Well done if you got it right. Now say I am there in Balochi. Man weda an. Man weda an. To say and in Balochi, we say oh, oh. To say young in Balochi, we say warna, warna. To say old in Balochi, we say peer, peer. Now try saying young and old. Warna o peer, warna o peer. Now have a go at saying I am young in Balochi. Man warna an. How would you say I am old in Balochi? Man piran. Man piran. How do we say here in Balochi? Eda. How do we say there in Balochi? Weda, weda. Let's try something longer now. How would you say here I am young, there I am old? Eda man warna. Weda man pirang. Now let's recap on what we have learned in our first lesson. I, man. Am, here, eda. There, whether, and, o. Young, warna. Old, pir.